Come take a look at this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 66,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and 115V power outlet. Call 800-264-3927 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.